Ay, nako.
Dito ka sa dito. Pwedeng move ka lang mo. Dito ka sa dito. Yan. Kausapin ko lang mo. So, bale, ako po yung assistant supervisor ng Parka. Ano ang mangyayari po? Sige naman po sir. Kung ano ba naman yung nararamdaman nyo? Yan lang po. Wala naman sa script, wala naman sa planning. Sabihin na ito dapat yung isa. So, that's reserved. Babalik ko na lang po kayo.
And as well for the family, Armed Forces Chief of Staff General Romeo Bronner, Senator Bam Aquino. Congratulations to your victory, on your victory. Thank you very much for coming. And also I'd like to acknowledge members of the Diplomatic Corps. We have Ambassador Mary Kay Carlson. We have Ambassador Megawati Datu Paduka Haji Manan. Ambassador Constance C. Sinuan. Ambassador Andreas Michael Pafernoshki. Lee. Okay. Apologies for that. There was a red note here. Actually, thank you very much. Fisherman, Mr. Arnel Satam. And the boat captain, Mr. Isman.
Yes.
We are the real heroes of this struggle to protect our sovereign rights. Okay, at this point, I'd like to welcome Ms. Baby Ruth Villarama to give us a few remarks before we start the film show.
Thanks, Christian. I hope you can hear me. Okay, he said I should speak louder. Yeah.
Use this microphone.
Hello. Yeah, my name is Baby Ruth Villarama. I'm a documentary filmmaker. And I just want to say thank you for being here tonight. Your presence means so much, more than you know. Like that?
Yes.
Okay. And I don't want to say that lightly. After all the storms that this film has experienced, and we're here bringing delivering food delivery to you tonight for the first time here in the Philippines. And in the midst of political maneuverings, relentless storms, and the quiet struggles we all carry, we offer this small independent film as a tribute to ordinary people doing extraordinary things to uplift and defend others. Food delivery fresh from the West Philippine Sea was not born from politics or policy. It was born from a question: who brings the food to our tables? Behind every slice of fish, every dried danggit, every serving of seafood on our plates is a story. A man at sea, a woman waiting on shore for her husband to return home alive. A child dreaming of a future that's slowly drifting out of reach because silence is often more convenient. This film was built with very little except an ocean of faith. Communities opened their boats and barracks to us, and friends encouraged us. Let's tell the truth anyway. So it took a village and more to deliver food delivery tonight. to Attorney Howard Calleja of One Sambayan. Thank you for helping us secure the rights to tell this story freely. To Mr. Dindo Manhit of Stratbase for inviting friends from various embassies and National Security Office. This film is for you. And did our friends from China arrive? Ni hao, if you're here somewhere. May food delivery serve as a bridge in your complex, high-stakes diplomatic missions. To Sir Jim Baltasar of CMB, Mike Idioma of NARA Soundpost, Chuck Gutierrez and Emerson Texon of Voyage Studios, thank you for pushing this film to reach true Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. A first for a Filipino documentary, and I hope not the last. To Mr. Andre Del Rosario of Series for fact-checking and for bringing the true defenders of the West Philippine Sea into the room. To my cinematographers, Nana Buksani, Glenn De Guzman, and Ivan Torres, they're here. Thank you for helping us see the soul of the sea through your lens. And to our associate producer, Terry Malvar, and production manager, Christine Reyes, the original. We faced more than rough waters making this film, and there were efforts to cancel it, to erase it. Even tonight, we remain under the radar of forces bigger than us. But as one wise fisherman told us when the sea turns rough, walang bagyong hindi natatapos. All storm ends. So no matter how vast or contested our waters become, I trust that with you on board, truth will always find its way to shore. And to the community still waiting to be seen, this film is for you. We offer this film not just as a filmmaker, but as Filipinos, as daughters and sons of this archipelago, as someone who still believes that stories can heal, can wake us up, and maybe, just maybe, can nourish your soul the way it nourished us. To Rockwell Power Plant, thank you for receiving food delivery, and may this partnership spark more stories that matter and hopefully give us some discounts in the future. To our Coast Guard, naval cooks, and last but not the least, our fisher folk. Our last this time is really for you. Maraming salamat for showing us how to be brave and how to be truly a Filipino. And finally, to the Gutierrez and Villarama families, we made this because you've always believed in what we're trying to do. To our nephews, nieces, and loved ones who continue to support this wild winding path, it's our generation's turn to help shape the Philippines that you will inherit. We hope we don't fail you. So maraming salamat. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas, mabuhay ang karagatan, mabuhay ang tunay na sa atin. So sit back, relax, and ride the waves of the West Philippine Sea.
Yes.